Hey there, New Orleans injury attorney Brent Courier. What happens if you've been in a hit and run auto accident? Well, in Louisiana, if you've been in a hit and run accident, the most important thing to do is to document any property damages that you might have. Look for any cameras around to see if you can locate the individual from a camera or any witnesses to find who that person that was driving the hit and run. I've had cases where they found the person on camera and witnesses, but the main thing is to look for your property damages. That way, if you can't locate the person, you need to prove to your insurance company that you've had property damages. Then if you had uninsured motorist coverage, you can make an uninsured motorist claim and get your own policy. So for example, let's say you're in a hit and run accident, somebody hits you, you have a herniated disc, and the doctor thinks that the back injury of that herniated disc could be from that car accident. Well, appellate court upheld awards of anywhere from $500,000 to $1 million for those type of cases, that if a jury would award you damages. And you'd be able to collect those monies, not against the person that caused the accident, because you wouldn't know who that is, but if you had $1 million UM policy, for example, you could make a claim against your UM policy. 500,000 UM policy, you could make a claim up to that amount. So I think you can see how important it is to have uninsured motorist coverage. It's very important to protect yourself in these type of accidents, hit and run accidents, but even in other accidents where, in a car accident where somebody were to rear end you in a car, and even if they had insurance but not enough. I'm taking a walk right now around the park by my office. If somebody would come along in a car and accidentally hit me, actually I would be able to make a claim against my own uninsured motorist coverage, as long as the accident arises out of an automobile accident. So really, it's to protect yourself. Somebody could be on their swing or their front porch, and I've even had cases where cars ran into houses, and if the car were to connect with the individual, they'd be able to make a claim against their uninsured motorist policy if the person that caused the accident didn't have enough coverage, or if it were a hit and run accident. Kind of interesting, huh? Anyway, it's quite important. Take care. Bye-bye.